Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, man. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it so much. On today's video, man, we got another banger. Me and Jerry collabing again. He's out here. Say what's up to the folks.
What's up, folks?
How you doing, man? All right. Look, man, we got another banger today, man. Boost Auto reached out to me, sent me out some of their Lumsteps steps. Was it called Lumsteps, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Lumsteps M2s. Yeah, man, they sent them out, so we're going to be installing that today on the truck. Previously, I've had what I had on there. I had some amp research steps, man, and so we decided to take those off. I gave them to Jerry, actually. They look good on his truck. But yeah, we upgrading today, man, and I'm super excited about it. Not even gonna lie to you. So these are the steps right here, if you can see them. And the biggest feature that I was excited about is that they have a rock light feature on them. Y'all will see that in the video. So yeah, man, that's what we getting into today, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Stay tuned, man. I appreciate y'all so much, and we're gonna make this happen, man. So here we go. All right, guys, so this is literally the first step, man. We got the motor right here. This is the driver front motor right here. They do a good job of like labeling stuff like that. It say DF on the front of it. So the thing about these steps, it only has one motor on each side, and then the other part of the mount is just like a dead step or a dead mount. But like you see right there, it say PF on it. And then let's see here. And these mounts right here, they literally don't have a motor on them. But so yeah, boom. That's how it works. Hopefully y'all can see that. But yeah, man, it's all about the detail, I guess, huh? But yeah, so we got our wiring right here, and they do a good job of labeling everything. Came with everything it needs to come with or whatnot. So Jerry, what's the next step? Talk to me, man.
We're gonna put these motors on right here.
Put the motors on first, okay.
Then we're gonna, after that, we're gonna run the wires down to them.
From the engine bay?
Yeah, well, actually put the motors on, I guess, in the back two brackets. Go ahead and get those on.
Right.
And then run the wires down from the engine bay down to them, and then just get the wires and stuff up. That's it.
All right, cool. Sounds
Knock
simple.
her out.
Just to go to the store and not give me some battles cause I wanna smoke. Dressing my life and I don't even know. Living this life and I'm just tryna cope. Crashing out just ain't the way I'ma go. Ain't no much blazing if I choose to go. When you ain't on you out. Ain't on you out. Ain't no waiting, I gotta keep going. Got people depending, they waiting for more. Humanity gone. People record, they pull up their phones. I don't want no help. What is you doing? Do you even know? I'm asking you cause most people don't. This is a true story, so listen for more. Listen for more. When I was born, my mama had died. I lived with my daddy, died when I was 5. My little sister mom keep beating the shit out of me, feel like I was gon' die. Waited till summer to go see my grandma who lived down in Florida where I can go high. Already knew when my daddy had died, and I know who, I'm just taking my time. I come with benefits, I come with Benjamins. I keep a 30 clear right on my side. I got a bank of bitch bringing in dividends, and she the realest, you wanna know why. Reached in my pocket and it had some land in it. She never judged me or mentioned my pride. Now that we on and we stacking the Benjamins, get to the money, she bring it with interest. I gave them chance after chance, but they didn't understand. So I went and just did it my own way. I got big rubber band, I help where I can. But you still gotta eat off your own plate. Legend how the man, thankful for all of these blessings cause I came along. Got a degree and start rapping, ran numbers breaking, you ball hard. Aim for the rim, you shoot the ball, get it whenever you fall. If you don't aim for the rim, missing your shot, then you go missing it all. Crazy how people who love you be stealing shit, they just be taking your money and spending it. It ain't a difference, cause who be getting it. Let me find out and your ass gon' be gone. Chill out, little baby, got 4 pockets full. Engine be ain't never go broke again. I done been through the pain, I done been through the fire, and I went to hell just to get where I am. If you just listen, I've been through the storm.
All right, guys, we finally got the mounts mounted up or whatnot to the actual truck, and so yeah, now it's time to do some real wiring. Jerry, talk to me.
Got to jam these old rods.
What you doing, buddy?
Got to jam these old rods down here so I can pull some wires through.
Okay. So yeah, we about to, like you said, jam this rod through there, so we can wire up the actual motor to the battery, and yeah, we can get this thing popping. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Jerry Wicker. All right, guys. So now we got everything figured out or whatnot with the wiring. We're about to run it towards the motor. Jerry's taping it right now to this rod, and then we're gonna be able to run it that way. But big shout out to Busadi for having everything, most of everything labeled. They missed out on what, one or two things you would say, Jerry?
Yeah, as far as labels, I mean,
Yeah.
it's easier for that particular one to have ones that just saying, hey, the red and black ring terminals, because honestly, they coated the wires brown, only has a little tip of red and black at the end, so it
Threw
helps
you off
see
a
that
little bit.
right,
Yeah,
right off the bat.
Yeah, but good job on just, you know what I'm saying,
Other than that, everything's great.
yeah, wiring, and yeah, so we're getting the wiring, which is also a lot of wiring, but we're getting it there, pulling it through right now. There we go, boom, bada bang, just like that. All right, guys, so as of right now, we have some of the power wires to the steps, to the actual mount, to the bracket. We have that ran. This is the cord for the light when we actually put the boards on and whatnot. Jerry is running wires from the engine bay, and this is for the toggle switch. That one good thing that me and Jerry did once before, we actually installed a toggle switch into the truck. So when I run the rock light, when I click on the rock light feature, it came with a button. It came with a button that they wanted us to use, but instead of that, we got something better than that. And we actually have the toggle switches. So I have this one for my grill lights, my flood lights, my rock lights, and then one is for the horn to turn it off and on. So we're going to actually run the rock light feature on the steps to one of these toggle switches right here, and yeah, it's going to be able to, we're just going to be able to click it on like that. So so yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Jerry, what's the next move, baby?
Trying to get a rod from this side over that side to pull that wire thing.
Well, there you go. So that's what step we on right now. Just running the switch, running the wires to the switch, so we can have that rock light feature. What you doing right now, Jerry?
We is wiring these wires to the OBD2 connector. These wires right there.
Yeah.
So you got to find the number 6 wire, which is that right there, and put this little T-clip it's got in there. And then this here, you put it right there inside this here right here. And then when you put it inside there, like that, you crimp it down. And then it crimps it down, and then it's supposed to be gravy.
I'm telling it over, I'm telling it all. I'm getting mine, I don't care what it costs. And if you wanna, we can go to war.
All right, guys. So man, we got it wired up, man. It took Jerry a little minute, just because it's a lot of wires or whatnot. But we got it settled. You know what I'm saying? We got it installed. We got the wiring done. And yeah, show them how it worked, Jerry. Go ahead. Boom. Boom. Look at that right there, just like that. Go and close it back. Come on now. There you go. So we got motion, man. Good motion, man. So it's time to put the boards on. The back one, I don't know if I said it earlier in the video, but the motor is only in the front of the brackets or the mounts. It's not in the back, so this one's just on a roller. So it literally just goes back in there like that right there. But yeah. Thank God.
Yeah, see, it just wasn't.
All right, guys, we got everything wired up. We still got to do a couple more things, but they look good. What you guys say? Go ahead, give your honest opinion.
Honest opinion?
Yeah, we here for it.
They could have did a little better with the wiring as far as how it goes in that track.
Okay.
The track is a little tough because they had it on there where they showed them all the way forward. We don't want all the way forward. We want it even. So when it's even, the wires are 2 wires. So the 2 wires are too thick to get into that trap, and you can't just strap them up, or you just have wires hanging. So
gotcha.
It could have been a little better on that.
But you figured it out, right?
Yeah, I always figure it out.
All right, cool, bro. But yeah, man, these are the steps right here. We'll give you a little show. Can I close the door? You good?
Yep, you good.
All right, cool. So boom. Reach right back up, pretty sleek with it. You know what I'm saying? And then, boom, come back down. We ain't step on it yet. I'm scared to step on it. I'm scared too.
Yep, get down.
Oh yeah, they on there, dog.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they on there. Yeah. And then we already got it light up. I mean, we already got it wired up, so might as well give them a show, right? So that's the switchback. And as you can see, it's in sync with everything else, showing the tow mirrors and the brake lights, if you can.
Yeah, on there.
You got it?
Yep.
So everything's in sync, like that. And then it's the unlock feature. Yeah.
Yeah.
And so there's one more thing we got to hook up. We got to
Rock light switch.
The rock light switch to the toggle switches that we already have in the truck. But yeah, it's there.
It's coming
It
along.
works, yeah.
One more thing left to do.
One more thing left to do, man. All right, guys. So the next step that me and Jerry has to do, like the steps are already installed, and if I was just some regular person that wanted to keep it simple, wanted to keep it. Who you said, Jerry? Yeah, that wanted to keep it simple. The steps are already done. Everything's plugged up. We good. We can close the hood and go on about our day. But I have these toggle switches here. Do they work right now? Yeah, they do. So if you look, that's what they do. And like I said, they turn on different things, various things. So I just turned my rock lights on, as you can see. Also turned my grill lights on, and I have these 3. Okay, thank you. Do not do what I think you about to do, sir. Stop. Okay. And I also have a switch to turn on my train horn also. But yeah, so as you can see, that's what it is. So yeah, guys, we finishing up right now. Jerry's finally putting the final touches on them with the wiring and stuff like that. But yeah, these are the steps. Let's see here. Like I said, I showed you before how they work before it got dark, but that's how they look. Boost Auto Lumsteps M2, right? M2s. We finally got them installed, man. We got it on the toggle switch or whatnot. And yeah, they work, man. They work. I like them. They look good at night. I ain't gonna lie to you. They glowing, Jerry. They are glowing. So look here, man. If you made it this far in the video, I appreciate it so much. It's been a day for me and Jerry. We always somehow finish at the right time, and it's nighttime, and we get to see it glow in the dark and whatnot. So I appreciate y'all so much. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go subscribe. It's free. All you gotta do is click a button. Jerry, anything you want to say to the folks before we turn this camera off? I said, anything you want to say to the folks before we turn the camera off?
See you later. Bye.
Hell yeah, man. All right, I'll catch y'all in the next video. I'm out.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.